Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Prerna and today I'm going to show you how to make lemon, ginger and honey tea. For this we need water, ginger, lemon juice and honey. In a vessel, take around 300 to 400 ml water, around 1 tablespoon freshly grated ginger. Now boil the water and add the freshly grated ginger and boil it for around 5 to 7 minutes. Now in your mug, squeeze the juice of half a lemon. Add your ginger water. And add some honey. Stir it well. Your lemon ginger honey tea is ready. Make sure to have it hot. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.